One of the biggest keys in trading is, at the end of the day, it's really you against you. Can you make the right decisions? Can you stick to the plan? Can you control your emotions and discipline? Today I'm going to talk about that. Be sure to click subscribe and be notified as soon as one of these new videos hits. And also, comment below. I'll talk about it a little bit in this video. Have you ever lost control of your emotions and broke your computer or thrown your notepad or anything like that? Comment below. Have you ever lost control of your emotions when in a trade? The first key in trading is remember that ultimately, some things are simply out of your control. The market will do what the market does. I have been long a stock that had terrible news and the stock collapsed. I've been short a stock that had incredible news and the stock rocketed through rocketed to the stratosphere. At the end of the day, these news events will happen. Filings come through, offerings come through, and you can do everything right. You can do all of your research, you can check every box on your sheet, you can get the ideal entry, but you never know when a possible piece of news can hit. The best thing to do, and write this down, take this away, if that black swan comes, if that news event happens, cut your losses immediately. That is the best way to control your emotions. If you overstay after the trend changes, after the news comes, it will enrage you ultimately. Stick to your plan, exit as quickly as possible when the trade idea is busted. The second thing I would like to talk about is, if you do take that loss. So going back to step one, you're in a stock, you're up, you're nice and green, you think life is great, the news comes out, the stock drops 20%, you turn a winner into a loser. Simply detach. I think that this is something that many traders overlook. The great thing about trading, what attracts me to it, is the freedom. There is no boss. There's nobody forcing me to sit at that computer and continue to get potentially even further frustrated and maybe even lose money. Go for a walk, work out, read a book, go for a drive. You can walk away. The boss isn't forcing you to sit there at that desk. So if you have that perfect trade that gets ruined, remember, you control your own actions. You can walk away, get a breath, come back later in the day, or I think even better, come back the next day. The market will always be there. You don't have to force things. One of the other mistakes I see traders make is they focus on the last trade. If you're at this video, maybe you've had a losing trade that is fresh in your mind. That's what you're fixating on. You need to look at the big picture because we talk about this a lot in day trading. Have that defensive back mentality. Maybe you watch football, maybe you don't, but if you are familiar with the way football works, a lot of the times if you're a defensive back, you're going to give up that touchdown and everybody's going to hate you that second. But if you keep that in your mind and you're always thinking about that last time you got burnt for the touchdown, odds are you're going to get burnt again. Every play, every trade is unique to itself. You get burnt for that touchdown, you take that losing trade, it's over, it's done. Your focus is the next trade, the next 10 trades, the next 100 trades. My goal is to trade as long as I can sit at the desk and run a mouse and keyboard. Today's trade does not affect next week, next year, 10 years down the road. Think about the big picture. Your goal is to grow your account slowly and incrementally, but one trade will not make a big difference in that unless you let a small loss turn into a big loss. Big thing is, think about taking those small losses. That's how you grow your account over time. And when you have a bad trade, review it, but take it out of your mindset and don't grudge trade. Last thing is have that mentality that you're in this for the long haul. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. If you came to this video looking to get rich tomorrow, go watch another video. That's not what we're talking about here at StocksToTrade. We are trying to give you the tools and the skills to build something that can service your lifestyle, your goals down the road. This is something that allows, stock trading gives me the freedom to spend time with family, to pursue my hobbies, to really truly do what I want to do. Don't lose sight of that. Focus on grinding, show up every day, check every box, and follow those trade plans, and think about this as a lifelong skill. It's not about today, it's about next year and down the road. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.